Yes, we've got some cut chicken here. But what are we going to make today?
Sour and sweet chicken.
That sounds very good. And we'll come back a bit later because going to marinate it in this bowl. So what are you going to put in there to marinate it? So what are you putting in there?
Cauliflower.
Corn flour. Corn flour.
I'm sleeping. Corn flour.
Corn flour.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So what are you going to do with the corn flour? Is this to make the chicken soft?
Yeah, the
Okay.
corn flour and just melt the chicken for half
Okay.
an hour in the refrigerator.
Are you going to put any sauces on this, or is this just to soften it?
No, salt and
Salt.
salt and the cauliflower.
Corn flour, not cauliflower, corn
Yeah.
flour.
Again.
So this will go in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And we'll come back a bit later. Alright, we're back again. Here's with the vegetable cut up. What have we got there? We've got some onion. Is this chives?
Spring onion.
Oh, spring onion, same. That's garlic.
Not same. Who told you the same?
Same.
Who told you the same, honey?
Me.
Honey, it's different.
Okay. Now, these are capsicums, or as you call them, bell peppers, but they're capsicums. Who tell you this? Yeah. Right. Now that's sugar. And here's the chicken being marinated in corn flour.
If you can speak second language, you tell me.
Yeah, I can speak many languages. Anyway, here's apple cider vinegar and the tomato sauce, commonly known as Dead Horse in Australia. Tomato sauce and Dead Horse. Alright, we'll be back later when this is cooking because the chicken will be deep fried. Oh, not deep fried, but fried.
deep fried.
Deep fried in tempura. And then...
Not tempura, again, I say not tempura. Just say corn flour
Okay,
powder.
corn flour powder. I thought you were going to put this in tempura.
No,
Okay.
corn flour powder.
Oh, so last time you made this, it was like corn flour?
No, honey, we don't do this. No put in this one.
Okay.
You
Thank
want
you.
to say again?
Yeah, I'm
Then today
stupid.
we're going to make a...
You marry an idiot. Okay, I'll come back later. Okay.
Idiot.
Yes, I am an idiot. Okay, some frying going on here. And these will be put into a sauce later, so this is just a next step. There's some that's been dipped in the corn flour.
Yes.
Yeah, because I assumed that she dipped that in tempura, but what do I know? I'm just an idiot. So there you go. Anyway, we'll be back later.
For me, married to an idiot.
Yes, a lucky man, a very lucky man. But I love you.
I love you more.
Thank you. And here's the pineapple for the sweet and sour chicken. So some good work is going on here. Deep fry, it's getting steamy there as you can see. And we'll come back very shortly. So that's 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just going to add some tomato sauce in there.
Ketchup.
Ketchup, same.
Ketchup, okay. And apple cider.
Yeah, apple cider vinegar. Yep. Alright, we'll come back when that's all mixed up.
And water.
Oh, and water too. So that's being stirred now. Very good. We'll come back very shortly. And this will be frying in the fry pan, I guess. Alright, so garlic's just going in now. So we'll come back very shortly when the rest of
why
the...
come back?
Oh, okay. So are we going to cook now? Oh, okay. Okay, we'll add the rest of some more vegetable in. So, onion, is it?
Garlic?
Garlic, yes. And this is onion, yes. Red pepper or capsicum, as we say in Australia. And green capsicum. Or as they say in the States, for China, pepper. Alright, so this will have a stir. Now, so for this dish, if you like your vegetable crispy, you don't have to cook a long time, but if you want them soft, just cook it a bit longer. So last time I had this, it was fantastic, but I like the vegetable softer. So I'm just going to cook this a bit for my lovely wife, and while she's doing the rice. Alright. Alright, we'll just mix this up a bit. Alright. That was corn flour going in there. Back again. Here's the Princess rice cooker. Okay, so we'll add the chicken in now. Like, you can have this vegetable a lot softer if you like, but I quite like it like that, and we'll add the sauce in a moment. So this will have a good mix up. I know the first time I saw this being cooked, I thought, oh wow, restaurant style, and you'll see that in a moment. Okay, the sauce will go in now. So that was the special sauce. Okay, we'll come back in a few moments, but this absolutely looks fantastic. As I said, I walked into the kitchen.
Done.
Sorry?
It's finished. It's done.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was just saying that when I saw this cooked the first time, I thought, oh, this looks like you went to the takeaway shop. Very good.
Told you I'm a chef.
Very good. Okay. So we'll do a bit of presentation, I guess, after, and see the plated product. Very good work. A lucky man. Alright, in the end we had the pineapple. There you go. Beautiful. So this obviously gets mixed around. Yeah, alright. So that's it, but I will do a photo of the once it's all being preparation. So thank you very much. This is very good work. Yes, I'm very impressed.
Sweet and
Yep.
sour chicken.
Yeah. So does this have a Chinese name or not?
糖醋鸡丁.
Say again.
糖醋鸡丁.
谢谢.